Is Roblox down? Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So I know that many of you have problems with Roblox right now. As you can see here, I am on my Roblox app and the games are not loading. The app is not working on any way. I went to Twitter and I saw that many of you have problems right now. The errors that are happening right now are error 503 or 403, or this error right here, error starting experience. The games are just not loading. So if you do have issues with Roblox right now, you can comment in the comment section down below. You can like this video and you can also subscribe to our channel for more updates about this topic. And in this way you will be notified once we post another video about Roblox, another update. If it's still not working, you can comment in the comment section down below with your questions and I will make sure to answer to them as quickly as possible. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.